Bye. Lissy. Okay, whoa, don't. Let's see. Okay, now I want you to throw her. Get away from the edge. Felicity. Let me see. Is Daddy gonna throw you? Woo! Felicity, look! Hi! Who's she looking at over there? She's looking. She sees the swing. Hey, you. Are you having fun? Want to get thrown again?
One more. Here. Just pull your seat here. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Now throw her. Turn that way. Lissy, look at Mommy. Hi. Ready? Woo! What is she? Felicity, look at me when you do it. More, please. Look at Mommy. Woo! Ben, throw her straight up. Here, say bye-bye.